All right, so should you be in shape before you start going to the gym or before you start CrossFit? Simplest answer is gonna be no. You don't need to be in shape already. That's what the gym is for. It's gonna get you in shape. It's gonna get you in better physical condition than you were before. Should you be in shape before you start CrossFit? No, you can go into CrossFit not knowing how to lift and they're gonna teach you. It's a group-based setting with like your own personal trainer basically. That's why fees are a little high. You got the programming already. You already got your trainer there to help you. They do take extra time to help you out before, after class, during class. So going over to the gym aspect, should you be in shape before you start going to the gym? No, you shouldn't. I mean, if you are already, then that's fine. If you're intimidated about going to the gym or starting CrossFit, that's a whole nother story. And I'm gonna make a whole separate video on how to get over the gym intimidation factor side of things. So if you're already in shape, good for you. If you're not, don't feel bad. Go to the gym, get a membership, ask a personal trainer for help, maybe book a few sessions, get to know the machines, get to know the rep schemes, that sort of thing. Kind of just know the basics for an upper body day, a lower body day, what you should be doing on a rest day for recovery. In terms of CrossFit gym, should you be in shape before that? A lot of people ask these questions because they see like the elite or like the fittest on earth, and then they think that they have to be that level to go to a CrossFit gym, which you really don't. There are some really freaking fit people at CrossFit gyms, but you don't have to be on that level. Everyone starts somewhere, everyone progresses, and the amount of progress I've seen everyone in here make throughout like the year that I'm coming up on CrossFit is crazy, man. Everyone just becomes super athletic. You can tell when people come in and they're fit already or they do bodybuilding, but as they progress, like a few months into CrossFit, you can tell that their body composition changes a little bit, and just the way they kind of like flow is way more athletic, it's way more explosive, and just overall just fit, you know? They can do anything basically. So you don't have to be fit, you're gonna learn, you're gonna progress. Now I'm just gonna give you like my top 3 tips on how you should start. If you're thinking about starting to go to the gym or starting CrossFit and you don't feel like you're in shape or you're not in shape, you've never worked out. So let's get into those. Okay, my first tip, if you're not in shape or you feel like you're not in adequate shape to start going to the gym or to start going to the CrossFit box, start doing CrossFit, is gonna be just get your metabolic heart rate up. That's some fancy schmancy, pretty simple basic term, but basically what it means is get your activity level up, get your metabolism going, get your endorphins going, get the blood flowing. You're gonna be good if you do that. So start going on walks, simple as that. Start going on a daily walk, do that consistently. Do that consistently for about a week. And honestly, like let's say you're super intimidated, I can ramp you up to be in the gym within 2 weeks. And that's like very like, if you're like a super shy person, if this is like giving you anxiety and stress about going to the gym, I'm not making fun of you. I'm just saying some people are like that, and I had a client told me she would never go to the gym. I was giving her at-home workouts. Lo and behold, maybe 2 weeks in, she was a whole nother person, super confident in herself, wanted to start challenging herself going to the gym. I'm telling you this because I've learned from it from experience, and I've helped someone overcome that from experience. So start by going on walks, start by going on runs, start by doing at-home workouts, start doing like a little circuit style, HIIT style workouts, YouTube, fat burn, home workout. You'll get a ton of body weight workouts there that you can do at home. Maybe do them for a week straight. Just walk consistently, be more active, park further at the grocery store, at the store, park further, walk to the store. Just get moving, burn more calories, get your heart rate up a little bit so you start to feel that. It's gonna feel uncomfortable at first, but then after you're gonna love it, man. Getting your heart rate up is pretty fun. I've learned that from CrossFit myself. Start doing at-home workouts, and then once you gain a little bit of confidence, you know you can move, you know you can get your heart rate up. You're embracing the sweat. Embrace the sweat. Don't be afraid to sweat. Also, another client who hated sweating, and now it's just like, I love a good sweat sesh. So from experience, I'm telling you this. So embrace the sweat. Once you feel ready, once you feel like, okay, I can move, you know, I have the basics down, go to the gym. Don't think about it. Tomorrow, okay, I'm feeling good today. Tomorrow I'm gonna go to the gym. I'm gonna get a membership. Everyone there is so welcoming. I guarantee you're not gonna have a bad experience. And if you do, I'll recommend going to another gym, because usually the gym receptionist and everyone there is super pumped that they're there. They're super pumped that that's like maybe their part-time gig or full-time gig, and they're happy that you're gonna start your fitness journey. Explain to them, hey, I'm new. I'm kind of intimidated about starting. Didn't know if I should start coming to the gym. gym, but I'm very interested. They're gonna walk you through the whole gym, give you a tour so you're never lost. They're gonna go ahead and link you up with a personal trainer so you know a few personal trainers' names. They're gonna give you a free consultation for personal training sessions. And then after that, if you like one of the trainers, you can go ahead and book some sessions with them, get to know them, ask them questions, as many questions as you need to, and you're good to go. Also, if you don't wanna go that route in terms of getting a personal trainer, look up some workouts on YouTube, on Google. You can get a few on like men's health, on women's health, women's best, that sort of thing. A few workouts. You can even get like a 4-week training plan that you can follow. If you have a few questions on forum, you can always ask me. I'm more than happy to help. Just go over to Instagram, shoot me a message there. More than happy to help you out, or I'll even make a video on the exercise, make a tutorial. Or if not, just ask someone that's doing something similar, or ask them if they know what that is, if they know what the movement is, and ask them to show you. Ask them to walk you through how many sets, how many reps should you do, that sort of thing. I guarantee you, if you ask someone that looks like they know what they're doing, that looks pretty fit and in shape and doing something interesting, they're gonna be pretty pumped that you asked them. And I take it as a compliment. I'm sure other people in the same space or that are in shape or, you know, look good, feel the same way. It comes off as a compliment, so don't be intimidated or scared to ask questions, man. So that's gonna be route number 1 for starting the gym, for starting CrossFit. Call your local box, maybe email them. They're gonna be super pumped that you wanna join. Tell them that you've never been, you're kind of intimidated. They're gonna put you in more of like a beginner class or just whatever class fits, but the coaches know that if they see one person that is a beginner, they'll explain every movement from bottom to top and from start to finish. And if there's advanced level people in there like fittest, you know, that you see on TV or like those movies, those people do their own thing for a little bit. And don't think that you're inconveniencing anyone. They're just gonna do their own thing. They probably have their own warm-ups that they do, that sort of thing. And they're probably gonna give you pointers. They're probably gonna give you tips and get you pumped up, man, to make progress. Because the amount of progress you'll make both in the regular gym and the CrossFit gym is insane. Everyone roots for you and is pumped. Yeah. All right, guys, another tip I'm gonna give you in terms of should you be in shape, should you not get in shape, it's gonna be just start eating a little healthier. Start by throwing away all the junk food in your house. Start by eating only processed clean foods. Let's say clean meats, so just lean meat, chicken breast, ground turkey, ground beef, that sort of thing. Throw some more veggies in, drink at least a gallon of water a day, throw out soda, sugar, any additional sugar that you don't need. Throw that out. I guarantee you're gonna feel way better about yourself. You're gonna drop pounds pretty quick. And that's another thing that's gonna help your performance in terms of when you're first getting started, whether you're doing at-home workouts or just getting your activity level up before you go to the gym. That's gonna make you feel better about yourself. You're gonna start performing a little bit better, and you're just gonna be a little more confident in yourself that you kind of know what you're doing. You're on the right track. All your hard work isn't going to waste. All right, guys, the final tip before you start going to the gym or before you start CrossFit is gonna be do some research. Do some research on the gyms around you, CrossFit gyms around you, kind of get to see what the culture is like, what the energy is like, and then get in contact with them, send them an email, give them a phone call. They're gonna give you like a in-person, one-on-one consultation. They're gonna give you a feel of like what the energy is like in the gym. But do your research. Last thing you wanna do is you wanna go to like a shitty gym with shitty people that you don't enjoy, that you're like, oh, I have to go to this gym. I just gotta go knock my workout out. You wanna be somewhere where the energy's high, where it's awesome, where it makes you feel good about going there, where it gets you excited that you're a part of that club, that gym, that CrossFit box, whatever it may be. So do your research, pick a gym, and never look back, man. Because once you guys do this, once you get over that hump of, oh, I should be in shape before I start going to the gym, you're never really gonna get in shape. You're never gonna get to a point to where you feel like you're in shape to go to the gym. Once you just do it and you get there, you're gonna feel good about yourself, you're gonna make friends, and you're just never gonna look back, and you're gonna be so glad that you did, and you wish you would have started going to the gym earlier. So if you haven't gone to the gym, man, I just encourage you guys so much to do it because it changed my life. I love it. I started working out when I was like 13, 14. Been to tons of gyms. I just love it. It's like what I do. I enjoy going to different gyms, checking them out. It's amazing, man. So I hope you guys enjoy that, and I want to help you guys find that fun and excitement in your training and nutrition. If you feel like you guys are stuck, if you feel unmotivated, if you feel like, oh, what for? Let me help you find that fun and excitement in your training and nutrition. Apply for one-on-one coaching. The link is in the description. I'd love to help you guys out. I'd love to help you get excited, make gains, look good, feel good, perform good, man. So hit that link in the description and apply to work with me for training and nutrition coaching. If you guys need help with supplements, if you guys need some supplements, get yourself some protein pre-workouts or questions on what you should take, send me a message. Also go to oneupnutrition.com, use my code SHOTSG. You'll get 20% off on top of whatever deal they got going on, so you guys will save yourself some money, and it helps me out, it helps me grow. If you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. I'm so pumped that you guys watched this video and that you guys are on this journey with me. Join the Breakfast Club, Breakfast Club CTG. We out to speed. right guys, workout is 75 double unders, 15 hang squat cleans at 95 pounds, 11-minute time cap, and there's 4 rounds. So 4 rounds as fast as you can. Try to finish it as fast as you can, or see how many rounds you can get up until 11 minutes. Let's get it.
All right guys, that's gonna do it for this workout here, man. Hope you guys enjoyed. A little back squat session, little hang cleans, double unders, man. Hope you guys enjoyed me watching me suffer through that workout, man. It was tough. It was good though, because I was able to push myself. The rest periods had took longer than I wanted to, but I just wanted to go unbroken on the hang squat cleans. Good workout, man. Try it yourself. If you have any questions on what you can do to substitute an exercise or how to scale it down, in terms of a movement you can't do, maybe it's heavy weight, drop it in the comments, man, or shoot me a message over on Instagram, shots_G. More than happy to help you customize one of these workouts for you. That way you can join the Breakfast Club. Join the Breakfast Club, peeps. It's a fun time. You don't want to be missing out, man. But yeah, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, share this video with a pal that you want to do it with, a little gym pal, because it's always funner when you're suffering with someone else, man. So stoked that you guys are coming along this journey with me. I'm gonna go home, have a post-workout smoothie. May or may not show you guys, we'll see. If you guys act right and hit that like button, maybe I'll show you that post-workout smoothie. If you've been following me for a good while now, you've seen it, so you're already part of the Breakfast Club. See you guys in a bit.